Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your INFINIX Hot 50. So first, go over to the settings and then you need to go over to sound and vibration. Here we want to make sure that volume adjustment is here and that the media volume is turned all the way to the right. So that means it's the loudest here. Now you also want to change the call volume. You can only change it while being in an active call with somebody, so make sure to call up a number. They don't even have to answer. Just increase your volume by pressing the volume up button right here on the right side. Next, we want to make sure that do not disturb right up top here is disabled, because this basically mutes every single notification and the call notification, and it can also make your volume a bit lower. So make sure to disable it for the time of testing. If nothing changes, you can turn it back on. And next, if you are using headphones, then make sure to clean the headphone port right here. This is very important. If you do not clean it, then the dust can block the connection. That's why your volume may be low, because there is a connection, but not the best one. If you are using the speakers and there's low volume from here, make sure to clean them with a soft brush, because you want to get rid of every single debris, moisture, and basically you need to keep it clean, because if it's dusty, also it can block the sound. Next, what you guys want to do is restart your phone. Maybe it's all just a glitch, and to restart your phone you hold the power button. Now you see it, you press restart and tap again to restart the device. Now the device is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. So now after the restart, simply tap in your passcode if you have one, and then what you guys want to do is make sure that every single widget loads in. After that, you can continue. So go over to settings, and in those settings go to my phone and go to XOS. Now this is where you update your software. This is the last step. Make sure that you have your Wi-Fi connection, and here you can double check it. As you guys can see, it keeps checking. Now our system is definitely up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.